You need those primogems, you need them bad. Well, today I'll show you how to get the Genshin Impact mod menu, guys, so you can have unlimited primogems. So as you can see, I have unlimited primogems. I got God mode, all these settings, but I'm going to show you guys how to download it for your device, fully working. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you how to get the Genshin Impact mod. So first thing we're going to do is go over to the hexmods.com. So this is like a modded website. It's really cool. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Genshin Impact, and as you can see, it says Genshin Impact somewhere. So just go ahead and press on it, press download. So this will start the download of the Genshin Impact mod, but I want to let you know that at the end of the process there's a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but it's going to be 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files. There's a video if you're confused, but just download 2 of these apps. You can see like Travel Town says reach level 9. You just download it. It brings you to the store, and you literally just got to do what it says. So I'll see you later, but just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you will have the Genshin Impact mod menu on your device with unlimited primogems. You got God mode, all this stuff, guys. So it's super, super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you're tired of being poor on Genshin Impact, be sure to try this out because it's fully working. As you can see, my primogems right there. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself if you're broke. I mean, I don't know. A lot of idiots out there, but this is real. So be sure to try it out. There you go, hexmods.com, bro. That's the site. So don't come at me, guys, if you feel that you did the verification wrong. It's not going to work. So make sure you did it right and you download the apps. There's a video if you're confused. You can watch that, and then you're going to be like understanding it better. So hope you guys enjoyed it, but be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later, but don't come at me if it doesn't work, because that just means you need to go back and actually download some other apps, because clearly whatever you did didn't work. But I'll see you later. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is super cool. Totally works. So if you're poor, then let me know, and I can hook you up with Hex mods and Genshin Impact Primogen.